welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel or you're a regular follower, why don't you consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video or any of my videos a thumbs up. It does help the channel keep on growing. I just needed to say that, get that out of the way. So this is the Echo Show 8, third generation. Now, I bought this myself, and I bought this because I'm doing another video on something completely different, but I needed something like this to make that work. And if you're wondering what I'm on about, you need to watch, or you need to subscribe to my channel to find out in the future video. Not really a lot to show you around the box, but we're going to have a quick look. So it's 8-inch HD touchscreen with adaptive colour. Stereo speakers with spatial audio, 13 megapixel camera with auto framing. I would have preferred something around the 18 megapixels, that would have been better, but 13 megapixel, beggars can't be choosers. Smart home hub built in, hands-free with she should not be named. Microphones and camera on off button. Microphones, so that means there's more than one. Now I already had the dot, the little one. Mine is the 3rd gen, and I needed to upgrade it to either the 4th gen, 5th gen, or whatever it is, or whatever the latest one is. And I thought, do I really want that little dot? Why not go one step bigger and get something with a screen on it? It's going in my kitchen, by the way, because I think it'll look nice, and especially when I'm doing my cooking. Yeah, I have to do my own cooking, unfortunately. And that's about it. Right, it is sealed, as you can see. So let's cut it open. Oh, and by the way, they do send you an email, which I thought was quite handy. I haven't actually read the email on how to set this up. So it should be extremely easy to set them up. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Now look, even a little handle to pull it out. That's brilliant. Move that out of the way for now. So we have a hello, Echo Show. We have some other stuff in here. Is that it? I would say that was it, because I can't get the rest of the packaging out. So I'm going to leave that for now. So we have important information. That'd be for your health and safety, I'm guessing. Yeah, product information. Get that out of the way for now. So we have a plug on the lead, and that's an unusual connection now. Now, is that to stop people plugging in the wrong connection? Or is it Amazon just want to make sure if you need a new plug, you buy theirs? Not sure. You can actually buy them connections, but it is unusual. Right, let's have a quick look. So, we have a little bracket for mounting it onto an actual stand if needed. Now, I did see they do actually sell a stand. I wasn't sure if it actually came with it, but it doesn't. So we have a button now. I don't know what that does. A minus and a plus, and I'm guessing that'd be an on-off button. Power connection on the back, and that's about it. It's got a nice feel to it. It doesn't feel as though it's going to slip. It feels like a material. Yeah, very good. Nice little screen, very reflective. I don't know if you can see that. Camera there. It did say microphones, didn't it? But they might be, so they might be them two there, two little dots. It's always listening. Oh, and by the way, I believe it comes in 3 different colours, I believe. Or it's 2 or 3, I think it's 3. And this is the latest version. So it's the Echo Show 8 Gen 3. It's the latest version at the time of making this video. Right, let's see what I need to do. Give me a second. Right, according to the email, it says complete setup. Basically, turn her on. It won't work, will it? Oh, that's clever. Look, I thought that was the on-off button, but it's not. It's a screen cover for the camera, so they can't see you. Privacy setting. See that? I like that. That's really good. Thank you. Right, that is the power on and off. We need to plug her in. David's Echo Show. That was long-winded. It seemed to take forever. I thought, Jesus, how many things have I got to go through? But we've got there in the end. And I've also installed my YouTube account actually straight onto here, so that I can go to YouTube and I can look at my YouTube videos or any videos. Plus, I have a Prime account on YouTube, or whatever you want to call it, premium account, whatever. So I don't get no adverts, which I like. I prefer not to have the adverts. I prefer to pay a little bit extra so that I'll do away with the adverts. So let me quickly show you, and then I'm going to show you something else in a second. So, Alexa, YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
And voila. So I've been listening to this woman sing, I quite like her. Daily Driven Exotics, which I watch now and again. I used to watch it quite a lot, but now I don't watch it so much. Linus Tech Tips, I like Linus Tech Tips. Again, I used to watch loads of it, I don't watch so much of it now, but you know, things move on. Music 80s, I like the 80s, I like the 70s, the 90s. I like most eras, you know, up from about the 60s onwards. Before pointing that out. Yeah. Oh yes, and Matt Armstrong. I don't like the Mark II channel, but I do like the Mark I channel. So I watch quite a bit of his Mark I channels whenever he uploads a video. He doesn't do them like every day. It could be a week or it could be a couple of weeks before he uploads a video. But yeah, I like watching him, and I normally watch virtually all the video, and these videos can be quite long, even up to an hour. I just thought I'd point that out to you. It's got nothing to do with the actual tablet, but you know, or the Echo Show. So anyway, audio quality. Before I go on to my next bit, I just want to talk about the audio quality. Yeah, you can see why it's got such a big speaker on it, because it does make a difference. Compared to the Echo Dot, the audio quality on this is far superior. Let's go back a second. Alexa, go to homepage. Back to the homepage. Now you can put your actual photos and that on there, so it just displays photos. I haven't done that yet, but I probably will do it. Just family photos, that sort of thing. Right, so I did think about getting a stand. Oh yeah, I was watching this as well, or listening to this, Heart 70s, and they do a Heart 80s as well. Now I'm not promoting it, I'm just saying that's what I listen to. Right, now I like the way it sits, but I would like a little bit more control of the angle of the dangle, if that makes sense. So, I went out and bought the Echo Show stand. Now, this was about £37 to £38, so it's not cheap, but I wanted it. I thought I could actually make one in my 3D printer, but I thought, no, I'll just go out and buy this. Job done. So, I'm going to set this up right now. Yeah, quality of audio, which is what that's about, and obviously the image is brilliant. Nice and clear imaging, nice bit of bass, treble, whatever. Yeah, very nice. Is that it? What's that else in it? Some instructions, some other things. Looks like it is it. Is there anything in there? I would have thought there was something in there, but it doesn't feel like there's anything in there. Nope, there ain't. So that is it. Right, so let's have a quick look at this. Right, oh I see. So your power goes into there, but it has an output as well. I didn't know that. Yes, so you could actually charge up your phone or something like that. So power in, USB Type-C connection out. It's quite flexible. Right, let's see how easy it is to mount without looking at the instructions. So I'm guessing you've got to unplug that again. Leave that there for now, because I want to make sure I mount this properly. And that will go in there like that. How's that connecting? Does it just push on? I suppose it does. It goes in. Oh, it does. Well, that was easy. Oh, it's like a magnet. Oh, I see. Just got to line it up properly. Yeah, it's like a little magnet. Right, so we've got a tilt. Oh, it's not much of a tilt. I'm a little bit disappointed on the tilt. You know, if I wanted it forward a bit more, you know, it would have been fine. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's there. Sorry, I'll let them off. Yeah, it's got a nice little tilt. And then plug that into there. Somewhere, yeah. Are we on? Are we in? We are in. Don't know what the instructions are. What's this? Important information. Yeah, what's it say? Assemble, montage. Oh, it's different languages. Power AND 12.5W USB-C port. Cables not included. Well, you don't need any. Yeah, that was easy enough anyway. Echo Show 8. And should plug and play. And we just come back online again. Look. Just load that again. So it takes a few seconds. Yeah, that's good. So, final thoughts. Cameras. Oh, I just noticed that. Look, put the light over. You know, the guide. Camera off. Camera on. I didn't notice that before. So, final verdicts. Yeah, the tilt is good enough. I would have liked a little bit more tilt, just a little bit, you know. But you know, where does it stop? I suppose. So yeah. I like it. I've played about with it for a few days actually, trying it out with different people as well. So I've had a few family members come around and say, "Oh, what's that?" And they've had a look and said, "Oh, I like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good." And the fact is, you can go things like do YouTube. I know you can do it on a computer or you can do it on a tablet, but this is an all-in-one Amazon. I'm not going to say her name because she would just wake up and do what? I didn't understand that. I'm glad I bought it. And I don't think it was too much money. Let me know in the comments whether you think it was too much money. It's about £154, £155 at the time of making this video when I bought it. I've had it for what? It's about 2 weeks now, believe it or not. But not this. This is probably about a week. I've been busy doing things. So with that, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. Thank you very much for watching. Gives my approval. I like it. Oh, and you can order from it as well, don't forget, if you wanted to. Now, I have actually blocked it so that I can't accidentally order something when I've had too much to drink. Something you might want to do. Thank you very much for watching.